It is Tuesday the 16th and this is my big ass truck. Guess I should have started the video a little bit closer. I got a little bit of walking, son of a bitch. Braided steel brake lines, all new brakes, all new that, all new shackle flip, U-bolts, blocks. Downside is where they have the exhaust at. Doesn't sound the best, doesn't look the best, probably needs to be done. And there's the rip in the seat from getting in and out and stuff. Start her up. Get up in here. That's the crack in the dash. It's not like huge or nothing. All the windows are tinted. Other seats are good. Radio works. Cigarette lighters work. You even got the little light down there for the ashtray.